Water is one of the most important resources for the human development, which is why it is necessary to guarantee access to drinking water. The resource is one of the main needs of the several territories in Colombia. Within the country, specifically in the department of La Guajira, is the Guayo indigenous community in the locality of La Paz, which have difficult access to water and energy because of its location and geographical characteristics. This condition directly affects the educational, productive, and technological development of the territory, and in parallel to the health and welfare of the inhabitants.
Consequently, La Paz has some projects that seek to improve living conditions for children, youth, and adults. However, so far the projects have not generated a favorable result with respect to drink water. An example of this is desalination plant that the community have, but due to the failures in the installation is not in operation. For this reason, the alternative access to water is to collect in tanks from tank cars or take it from wells that are many kilometers away from the community and that do not have any type of purification treatment. This makes this an alarming situation because mainly children in the community are suffering from serious illness due to consuming water that is not in optimal conditions. One option for access to water for those children is to go to the La Paz educational institution where they can receive education in exchange for 1 or 2 bottles of water, depending on the amount of physical activity they do. And yet, there is no guarantee that all children who go to the institution can have a bottle of water. In this way, La Paz has a need to improve its sanitary process and access to water. This community have a worldview and ethical perspective that need to be understood in order to achieve a high level of truth and solution in line with their needs.
In this sense, the proposed solution consists of the construction of an intelligent system for sensing the quality of the water and the state of the desalination plant in the community. The smart sensing system will contain a group of sensors that will allow the quality of the water to be tested in such a way as to be suitable for human consumption by measuring variables such as pH, conductivity, salinity, the concentration of ions or dissolved solids, and turbidity. The system will also allow real-time monitoring of the proper functioning of the desalination plant, so that it will be possible to know instantly if any element of the plant needs to be repaired or replaced. This intelligent system through cloud computing will be connected to the monitoring center of Universidad Cooperativa de Colombia, where the water quality and production system will be monitored, given that the community does not have for the moment the experience to manage this system, but is expected in the future to create a training program for this community to manage this equipment so that it will be a suitable project over time. It should be noted that various solutions were considered, but given the context, tools, materials, and supplies available in the community, the most suitable option was the 1%.
The solution contributes directly to SDG 6. Since water is vital for many everyday activities, improving this factor also contributes to other SDGs, such as SDG 3, SDG 4, and SDG 11. In terms of impact benefits, there is a possibility to get instructions from the smart system to help make better decisions regarding system maintenance, quality, protection, and sustainable water consumption in the community. As an outcome of this, such changes can be measurable and scalable over time and can advance economic, social, and environmental water justice in this area.
Taking into account the development cost of the intelligent system and the implementation of the first version in the community of La Paz, the total cost of the solution is €3,561. On the other hand, the team is formed by studies of electronic, environmental systems, and civil engineering from different parts of Colombia. International cooperation and the support of our partners enable us to develop water and sanitation activities and technologies, such as desalination, wastewater treatment, and data analysis technologies.